When NASA sent astronauts into space, they quickly find out that usual ballpoint pens do not work in zero gravity. So they spent 10 years and $1 million developing a pen which can write in zero gravity, upside down, in temperatures ranging from below freezing to over 120 degrees. At the same time, the Russians used a pencil. Madam Toastmasters, fellow members and guests, that's a great story. Simple, amusing, and empowering. I can spend my next 6 minutes talking about creativity or simple solutions to complex problems. But there is a problem with this story. It's not completely true. It is true that the Russians used the pencils at the beginning, but graphite dust caused problems to electronic equipment. And in the end, they bought 100 sophisticated space pens. I've noticed from the Facebook that as long as a story has simple and empowering message, people will believe in it, even if the story is not true. But I believe that truth matters. Facts matter. Science matters. The truth is at the heart of science. And when we follow entertaining yet misleading stories, we turn our back on science and lose its emotional and spiritual gifts. Science? Emotional and spiritual? Yes, because science is about curiosity, courage, and candor. Everything starts with curiosity, an insatiable, burning desire to poke, to try, and to find out what is really happening. Curiosity points you to the unknown, but it's not enough. You need courage to dive in. If you want to understand how a lion hunts, don't go to the zoo, go to the jungle. And when you're exploring the jungle of the unknown, you need courage to go into the field, courage to roll up your sleeves, and courage to try. And if and when you fail, you need to have determination to try again and again and again. Because there is no such thing as failure in science, only feedback. As Thomas Edison said, I didn't fail. I just found 10,000 ways which won't work. And when you have your answer, can you accept it? That's why candor is a third crucial element. Because discoveries are not always exciting, like Eureka moment of Archimedes, or amusing as Newton and his apple. Sometimes universe leave us with harsh, even brutal truth. In 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger broke up after the first minute of its flight, killing all 7 crew members. It was caused by human ignorance and negligence. One of the investigators, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, Richard Feynman, later concluded, for successful technology, reality must take precedence over public relations, for nature cannot be fooled. It is hard, but every intimate relationship requires honesty and openness. We know that. And when we are open with nature, it opens up back and tells us its secrets. My all-time favorite scientific video is from Neil deGrasse Tyson, which is called The Most Astounding Fact. In his video, Professor Tyson talks about the fact that all ingredients on our planet for life once were created inside the stars from all over the universe. And then he says, when I look at the night skies, I know that yes, we are part of this universe, we are in this universe, but most probably the more important than both of those facts is that the universe is in us. When I reflect on that fact, I look up. Many people feel small because they are small and the universe is big, but I feel big because my atoms came from those stars. So yes, the story about this pencil is entertaining and amusing and can bring a lot of retweets and shares and likes on Facebook, but it is distorted and misguided. I rather choose to follow another story, the story of this pen, the story of human curiosity, courage, and candor. Just a few centuries after Brother Montgolfier first left the surface of our planet in their balloon, we humans become the first species to leave our beautiful blue planet and see it from outside. After coming back to Earth, Yuri Gagarin, the first man in space, said, "Orbiting Earth in my spaceship, I saw how beautiful our planet is. People, let us preserve and increase this beauty, not destroy it." All these gifts are part of scientific journey of discovering the truth about the universe. And all we need to do to continue this journey is to continue to be curious about the world, courageous with the unknown, and candid with ourselves.